or close-ended on the opposite end? Because um, you'll be giving options already, so as those options are what you're going to use to compute, because we said this is numerical, so that's why close-ended questions that you will just focus on the options that was you gave to your respondents. Okay, that is why also it's I mentioned very important the progressive, because it also how are you going to open up, um it's like the progress on how the respondents will open up and share the data that you need from them. Wait here. In-depth information about human behavior for qualitative. Yes, that's correct. Qualitative offers deeper insight into why. Yes. Okay. So that's why it's open-ended. So but for qualitative, that's why important yung planning is for the options, it will come from us. So that is quite the difficult part on it. So you really have to plan before you gather your data. Okay. So, so that is what we are talking about, and we will be focusing on the research questions. So, it should be the research questions for quantitative rather, sorry. The research questions for quantitative research should be progressive. Um, Usually in a survey form. What else? Close-ended. So you will be providing the options so as you can use it in your statistical methods. So you'll compute. So usually when you compute, for example, you gave 4 options. Which of these 4 options are chosen by most of your respondents? So now you will put that most of my respondents chose this option because why, and such. And you will base it on your how you gathered also other information. Okay, so that is why we said quantitative research is an objective type, because you will just base it on what is the result of the gathering of data. Okay, question. Would there be any more question? Can I hear from everyone if you're still there? Please use the chat box. Yan, yes. Day, Rhea. Teka, bibilangin ko. 20. Okay, MJ. Okay, we're good. Thank you so much. So now, what we're going to do is we are going to formulate, and I will try to formulate research questions. Okay. For quantitative. So now, settle yourselves. Prepare yourselves to create a quantitative research. So you will, let's try to formulate a research questions. I am thinking Kaya na ba ng by partner? Let's do it by partner. Oh, so since you're 20, oh, everyone, it's balance. So let's have it by partner. And let us try to create research questions for quantitative research. Okay, so what is the first thing that you have to do? Um, let us look first. So first thing, let us look for a research problem. Okay. So when we say research problem, so this is the first step that you have to do. When we say research problem, it doesn't mean that that will be your research for this. So this is just a practice for us. And it doesn't mean that you have to create a title already. So we just need a problem. So where are you going to get this problem that we can use? It could be, I want you to utilize the news. So you can look it. So I think very few are using newspaper right now. So you can use the internet, Google News, or Philstar, Philippine Daily Inquirer. So based on what is happening in our surroundings, in our environment. So please look for one research problem. So next, so formulate. So since you already have a problem, so based on that problem, how are we going to solve or create conclusions on that problem is for us to gather data from our respondents. So formulate at least 5 research questions based on your research problem.